Sanibona bafethu Uvane lo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngani na? Ngizokhuluma ama-signings enziwe u-Orlando Pirates. I'm sure abantu abaningi sebawabonile ama-signings. So far i-Orlando Pirates isiyenze ama-signings ayi-7, yabo. Lama-signings lawa ayi-7 kukhona bani na? Kukhona umdlali ekuthiwa uNeo Rapo aphiwe baliti, uMatome Moila, umthetheleli Mthiyane, Sibangani Zulu, Bohale Ngwato noKapani Lungu, yabo. Ngizoqala nje ngayo uNeo Rapo. Mina ngokwami I feel like uNeo Rapo is one of the players vele ebengifuna i-Orlando Pirates iwasayine. Remember, that player is a very, very good left back. I spoke about that player last season. I said Orlando Pirates kumele izame ukuthola i-left back ukuze ke sikwazi ke sikhompithe kahle kwi-Betway Premiership, sikhompithe kahle futhi nase-Africa. But-ke asikwazanga ukumthola uNeo Rapo at that time. Sahamba saya kwi-Richards Bay salanda bani na uNkosikhona Ndaba. Naye umdlalo o-right uNdaba, yabo. Umdlalo o-right uNdaba. I feel like ukulandwa kaNdaba besifuna uku-create more competition in that left back position for yena uDion Hoto benayo uNdaba. So njengoba manje-ke njengoba esekhona nje uNdaba, with the possibility ukuthi-ke ngenzeka ahambe ubani na uDion Hoto. This signing okuba na kuNeo Rapo, yabo. Mhlambe-ke ngilipronounce kambi. Abanye abantu-ke they may tell me in the comments ukuthi Vane, why are you pronouncing it that way? Ngixolise nje kakhulu, but-ke I'm just, yabo. But-ke Umchida is a very, very good left back. Umchida, he has played with the young Bafana Bafana side under 20. I'm sure njengoba ezodlalela i-Orlando Pirates uzothola ithuba lokuthi-ke ayi-represent iBafana Bafana because njengoba nje ezodlala kwi-Pirates, I feel like ukudlalela i-Pirates, it is a very, very big step for any player in this Betway Premiership side because they know ukuthi-ke if they do well ku-Orlando Pirates, if they do well in Mamelodi Sundowns or even Kaizer Chiefs, they can get a very, very big boost ukuthi-ke ba-represent South Africa, yabo. So njengoba nje Umchida simsayinile, mina ngokwami I feel like it is a very, very good signing. Siye kubani na ku-Aphiwe Baliti. Aphiwe Baliti, I don't wanna lie. I don't wanna lie. Umchida, I don't know a lot of yena uBaliti. Yabo, angikwazi okuningi kwakhe uBaliti, but-ke I'm looking forward to seeing ukuthi-ke Umchida usiphatheleni. Yabo, he's a very, very good defender Umchida. Let's hope uzokwazi ukuthi adlale kahle for i-Orlando Pirates. Matome is another player esimsayinile bafethu, recently confirmed by i-Orlando Pirates. Umchida ubedlalela i-Leicester Fort City, udlala esiswini. So naye angikwazi okuningi kwakhe. Yabo, I've seen some clips akhe Umchida. He looks like a very, very creative player. He really plays like a player like uTito Maswanganyi. Yabo, a player like uTito Maswanganyi, umdlali onoshukela. So I'm looking forward to see him. Let's hope Umchida uzokwazi ukuthi ayithole opportunity. Angafiki laphana bafethu ashawo ukuthi Orlando Pirates is a big team. Yabo, any of these players esiwasign now njengamanje because we've signed 7 players so far. Any of these players, sorry, any of these players esiwasayinile, let's hope abajita they don't get scared of the patch. Yabo, i-patch ngiyalazi liyasinda. I-patch ngiyalazi liyasinda. Players like abo banina, abo Mashilwane, they didn't manage to continue playing for Orlando Pirates because the patch was very, very, very heavy. Yabo, abajita right now baloniwe bakwiSkhukhune United because the pressure is there. Playing for Orlando Pirates is not nice. Yabo, it's not nice playing for Orlando Pirates. So I hope Umchida uzofika adlale kahle. Mthetheleni Mthiyane, I don't think he needs an introduction. You guys already know Mthetheleni Mthiyane is one of the best midfielders abekhona ku-Betway Premiership last season. So ukuba khona kwakhe it's the same as uNeo Rapo. Yabo, ubani uNeo Rapo benomthetheleni Mthiyane. Those are the players Orlando Pirates mina ngokubona kwami eqinise khona kakhulu because we might lose player like uMakhehleni Makaula, we might lose a player like ubani na uDion Hoto. So ukuhamba kwalabo bajita, we are, yabo, welcoming the quality abalajita la. Mase kuba uSibangani Zulu. Sibangani Zulu is another defender siyilande kwi-Richards Bay. Sibangani Zulu, I don't know a lot about him too, but I've seen some clips and I've watched some Richards Bay games. Umchide is very, very good. Yabo. So let's hope uzofika ku-Orlando Pirates a-create laphana i-competition with other players akhona laphana abo-Siyema abadlala bako-Sibisi. Let's hope uzokwazi ayithole i-position kuleya center back position. Awulungu bafethu ngiyalwazi udaba ngolungu. Ulungu mina ngokwami, I've said it and I'll keep saying it again. That guy, he's a good player. Yabo. Ulungi is a good player. And I've seen some people asking ukuthi-ke ingabe Ulungu uyi-striker noma uyi-winger noma uyi-midfield. I don't think Ulungu is striker. He's not a striker. Maybe he was played as a striker in that Orlando Pirates game or in that Mamelodi Sundowns game, but yeah, traditionally he's not a striker. Yeah, but he's more of a winger than a striker. So Orlando Pirates, in terms of signing a striker, they must go to we market bawulanda a striker. Because so far in these players, Abasalandi, these 7 players, there is no striker that has been announced. Yabo. Truth be told, there is no striker that has been announced. We are still waiting for a striker esodlala. We are still waiting. Omakhopa Bantswem, what happens if Makhopa or Umbotsumeli Mala? Who are we looking for? Who is going to play that position? Radio Pane is always injured, so you cannot rely on Radio Pane kakhulu. Yabo. So you have to go into the market and look for a striker. Who are you going to sign that is going to strike for Orlando Pirates? Mina, I'm still waiting for a striker esizokwazi ke sisayine. Another player esimlandile bafethu uBohlale Ngwato. I feel like ukulanda kwaBohlale Ngwato, it's very very ngizothini? I think it's straightforward. We need competition in that right wing position. I feel like i-right wing position ayinayo competition kakhulu. Yabo, iyona position engangikhala ngayo kakhulu last season. Yabo. Sathi-ke last season sesiya kwiwindi-ke savele sathenga more left wingers instead of buying right wingers. Yabo. So we need more competition in that right wing position because some of those players who usually play in that position, they don't usually play as a right wingers. Yabo. They are more of left wingers. Players like Obo Moremi, players like Obo Osuna Police. Even sometimes we usually play Mfukeng in that position. Yabo. So ukulanda kwaBohlalo Ngwato, mina ngokwami kuyayenza isense. So kulabadlali labo bawu-7 bafethu, I don't wanna lie. Some people may say bazo-eda space. Cha, abazile ukuzo-add space. Yabo. Maybe few of these players, even though singabazi, because ukufika kwaSiyema, I don't think abantu abaningi babemazi uSiyema. Yabo. I don't think abantu abaningi babemazi uSiyema, but umjida wafika kuOrlando Pirates, wafika walenza igama lakhe. Yabo. Right now nje bafethu, he's one of those players okube yicala nje kakhulu ukuthi-ke angabalwa kule squad seBafana Bafana esihambile. Yabo. Kube yicala nje elikhulu. So mina ngokwami, these players, they have to show up for Orlando Pirates. They must show up for Orlando Pirates if they want to be considered one of the best players abadlalela Orlando Pirates. Lingabasindi nje ijezi. Yabo. Bangavumi ukuthi-ke bacwile. Bangavumi ukuthi-ke izinto ey'shiwo online, because as fans we are always going to be there to criticize. Yabo. It is part of ibhola. Into uma ungayenzi kahle groundini, as fans we've seen better players who were playing in that position, who were playing for Orlando Pirates, doing a better job than you. Wena uzofika wenze umdlalo uzodlala nje a totally different way and wenze i-team ingawini kahle. Yabo. So thina as fans we are always going to be there. Yabo. I'm not saying it is a good thing for us to criticize. Yabo. We are just stating izinto esiyibonayo nathi-ke esingasijabulisi. Yabo. So nje engizokusho mina ngokwami, abajida akumele bathathe nje lento le i-pressure, hayi i-pressure kumele bayithathe. I liked abantu abaningi kumele babukele uSithole. Yabo. Many players, football players akhona la emhlabeni jikelele. They have to look at uSithole. You see Yaya Sithole. Yaya Sithole was criticized by everyone, even me. I even count myself in one of those critics who was criticizing uSithole. But Sithole against South Korea, he showed up. He made sure ukuthi-ke iBafana Bafana plays well. He made sure ukuthi-ke in that midfield with uTalente Mbatha, they are going to deliver a masterclass. I remember them playing, what was this game? I think sasidlala nayo iRwanda, because if you remember, lo mjida lo, uTebogo Mokoena. Tebogo Mokoena was not available in that game because he was serving a suspension because of my yellow card. So we didn't have any player in that game. So sathola bani na, sasho ukuthi okay, uma khona nje ngeke adlale, kumele sithole umdlali azodlala nayo ubani na, uyaya Sithole lapha esiswini. Umbatha wayekhona-ke. I-partnership yabo mina ngayibona lapho ukuthi iyasebenza. Yabo. Mhlambe-ke kungaba inkinga for Hugo Bros regarding the midfield, because if you have watched Uyaya Sithole with Mbatha, they play better. And I wouldn't mind Orlando Pirates me asizama umconvince Uyaya Sithole ukuthi ayijoyine. I wouldn't really mind Orlando Pirates isayine Uyaya Sithole. To be honest. To be honest, I wouldn't mind Orlando Pirates isayine Uyaya Sithole. Kodwa-ke, that is a story for another day. You can tell me in the comments, how do you feel regarding these signings? Mina ngokwami, these are very, very good signings. But 7 signings, You should know ukuthi there are players who are leaving kuleli windi leli yabo. So you have to get ready. Bakhona abanye sebededeliwe koBombule, oMabasa, so oShandu. So you have to be ready. You have to be ready to cry. Yabo. But again, once and always, Bafethu, how do you feel regarding these signings? Do you think these signings are going to help us get Star Sanina Sase Africa? Yeah, asas. But again, Mina, I was going to be happy if we try to find players ngizothini. I know vele Africa kunzima ukuthi uthole a quality player e-Africa because e-Africa udinga uma ufuna umdlali ozodlala e-Africa udinga umdlali ozo-understanda i-language esiyikhuluma sonke which is English yabo because I feel like some of these African players who usually come and play for South African teams kuvele kube khona uqhekeko okukhona lokuthi-ke i-English abanye babo bayazi yabo so vele kube khona i-language barrier ucoach mhlawumbe ekhuluma into lo angayizwa mase-ke kuhlukana kanjalo. I've seen good players bangadlali kahle mebefika la eSouth Africa because of i-language barrier. So mina ngokwami if we are going to scout a player in Africa who is very very good ozodlala kahle kumele senze sure ukuthi-ke lowo mdlali loyo ufika nje la eSouth Africa useyawazi ama-basics of i-communication and uyakwazi akumele ayokwenza eSouth Africa sim-understandise izinto okumele ayozenza because sidinga abadlali abane-quality e-Champions League yabo. I feel like simple right now. It is very straightforward into ekumele siyenze kule season. Win the Champions League. We don't have to try to win in i-Betway Premiership. We've already won i-Betway Premiership last season. So i-project ekumele siyiqale manje. It's a 5-year project going forward. Look at these young players we are signing currently. These are not just any young players. These are young, talented players who are promising to be one of the best players akhona ku-Betway Premiership. We have a coach like Abdeslam Wadu who is very, very good with creating a project. You've seen a project that he created with Orlando Pirates last season and you saw how deadly that project was. So going forward with these new players coming in to help Abdin Slam Wadu, I think it is possible for Orlando Pirates to isithole istar sesibili. So ukuthola ke istar sesibili ngeke kube into elula. You need to install some mentality to these new players who are coming in because if you can look at these players especially now vele last season, I don't think many of those players have played kuyona Champions League. Yabo. So they haven't played any Champions League games, any Champions League football. So njoba nje uya le eAfrica bekungaba mnandi mhlambe ukuthi unikeze maybe iminyaka 1 year kuMakhehleni Makhawula benoHotho just to keep the older guys in the team, just to help the team navigate through the CAF Champions League competition because those guys, Abo Makehleni Makhawula and Dion Hoto, they've been through the road. They've been playing for a CAF Champions League. So bengaba mnandi mhlambe ku-Orlando Pirates ibuka kanjalo because if you are going to go to i-CAF Champions League with these new players who haven't played kwi-CAF Champions League, it is going to be hard for Orlando Pirates ukuthi-ke icompete kahle yabo izame ukuthi-ke isithole istar sesibili. We tried with Jose Riveiro and we fell short kuma-semi-finals because of i-squad depth. Right now sinaso i-squad depth. We have players who can play ibhola but-ke e-Africa it's not about ukwazi ukuthi kudlalwa kanjani ibhola. E-Africa is not about ibhola. E-Africa it's about i-mental strength yakho ukuthi-ke la mentally are you physically strong yini? Can you manage the environment okuyona? Uvalo lakho uyakwazi ukulucontrola. If you can ignore what is around you, if you can ignore the lasers that are pointing at you, ungakwazi ukusurvive le Africa. Do you think these players are ready for that? They have to be ready. They have to be told. They need players who've faced those surroundings. Yabo. Mina ngokwami, I think Orlando Pirates they have to try and keep the older guys in the Orlando Pirates camp. Maybe if sibadedela basayine as abadlali abazoba khona as a technical team because you cannot have a technical team enabadlali abasebasha abangayi understand ini na i-CAF Champions League. This is not Europe European CAF Champions League, European UEFA Champions League. This is CAF Champions League, not any other Champions League. Hey, ngiyayazi-ke i-Champions League, ngiyazazi iy'tori zakhona. Yabo, angimele ngichaze kakhulu.